In today's fast-paced world, people value speed and convenience. And when it comes to online shopping, customers no longer want to wait for several days to receive their purchases. That's why Zipline has developed the P2 delivery drone, designed to deliver life-saving supplies quickly and efficiently to those in need. Zips can fly up to 70 miles per hour directly to your customer. Equipped with advanced technology, the P2 drone is capable of carrying up to 5 pounds of cargo over distances of up to 100 kilometers in a single trip. Zipline drones have sensors that analyze flight conditions and allow them to turn around if they are not suitable. If both engines fail or the weather conditions prevent the drone from returning to the center, it has a parachute that allows it to land safely elsewhere and be picked up later. Once it arrives at its destination, it uses precision-guided technology to locate and drop off its payload with pinpoint accuracy. This makes it ideal for delivering critical medical supplies, such as blood, vaccines, and medications, to remote and hard-to-reach locations.